I want to tell the, OSP, the Office of the Special Prosecutor, if you can declare, the former finance minister as a fugitive on large, then, and you are wanting to bring him for a year, then the former Maslock boss must also be declared a fugitive. Bring all of them here. We want to collect our money. Bring all of them here. We want to collect our money. And let me use this opportunity to tell Jubilee House, these people must not just go to jail. What is the sense of going to jail when these monies are sitting in offshore accounts? Let them pay. Let them pay. Let them pay the money. It's not going to. When we went to Amsterdam, Mama Comfort, we realized that a buying car. Now we into a buying be paid you mama. Now what tear free wakati. You got that prison. We will not do that. Let them pay. Bring all these pictures on board. Nanka sa hospital nurses say wa ha na ye adwuma enkanyefe. A beautiful people. Nanu adia kwetia nurse fueje. Look at people who have died. Bisasa ketia ne saying. One nurse does not take even 8,000 cities. One nurse does not take 10,000. It will not work with job. And some many nurses who need tema. Any abadaye. Akatia ketuana and some person mutia. Pay them. Let them go back to work. Pay them. Itinya heaven kwa wasem na meka. You haven't met the Kolibu experience. Sweetie, you have not met the experience. They know sometimes the treatment is not right. Yeah. And when that experience you were, me say, Joy FM presenter, for the sake of privacy, I won't make, ne papa dan nsem say, help, help, help. And a papa knew. Go to that 37 right now, they will tell you, say there are no beds. Hallelujah. And you call that responsibility, and no preacher want to talk about this. I said, so for being in a juma,